The following video is rated PG-13, which may contain scenes and or themes that are not for people under the age of 13.
Warning, the following events depicted in this episode are entirely fictional. We do not intend to scare people with what is about to happen. Please do not play this in public as it may cause mass panic. We are not responsible for this. If you feel that the themes that are shown in this episode are sensitive for you, please click off the video. This may also contain other themes that are not suitable for younger viewers. Viewer discretion is strongly advised.
Most kaptunk megerősítést a nyíregyházi rendőrkapitányságtól, hogy a pénzunió jelenleg is tárgyal az igazságosság pártjával az atompaktum létrehozásáról szóló esetleges megállapodásról.
The news said that Jamie Hudson is currently talking about an agreement involving the nuclear pact. If they sign the agreement, all nuclear weapons would be legalized and Jamie Hudson would use them to bomb this neighborhood.
Oh wow, very funny.
We're not joking.
Beginning from today, we will sign the nuclear pact agreement, promising to take full control of our weapons and destroy those that diss us. This is what happens.
What have you done to Hilda?
It's none of your business.
Do you think Hilda will like this at all?
She is not going to know everything. And do you know why? Because she's dead. We're all finished with her.
They legalized all the nuclear weapons they developed.
But what exactly does that mean?
It's much more worse than you think.
They're going to destroy Nyíregyháza with nuclear weapons?
What the hell was that?
Are we all done for?
Carl, calm down. We don't know what it is yet, but it sounds pretty scary.
Everyone get out of there right now. There is a missile flying.
Starasz się jak ja, by noc była cicha. Budzisz się i znika czar. Co przyniesie dzień i na wiele pytań odpowiedzi nie szukaj sam. M jak miłość, krew i wino, nagły blask, gdy kochasz pierwszy raz. M jak miłość, serca siła, którą masz na zły i dobry czas. Na 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 na
Hé, bocsáss meg, asszony. Jól vagy.
Yeah, I guess. Now, my head hurts.
Oh my god, what the hell just happened?
I don't know. Are you alright?
I'm fine. We have to go and check if the kids are alright.
June. Ollie. Where are you?
What the hell happened? Where are the kids?
I don't know. I thought they dodged that missile.
Dad, Mom.
Oh, thank God. Are you alright? Are you hurt?
No, we're fine. I might have known this would happen.
You wouldn't have known about it right at that moment the missiles were launched. We have to get out of here right now.
What is happening, Tater? Who would launch this?
How would I know? I didn't see the missiles hitting a house. All I heard was a big bang.
Guys, what is going on? Where's Carl?
Look, I don't know. He must have disappeared or something.
Now I'm starting to feel really scared. If anything worse happens to Carl. Oh my God.
What the hell is going on? Who's doing this?
We're all going to die. We're all going to die. What do we do?
Carl, it's okay. I'm here.
Mindenki maradjon nyugton. A katonaság azon dolgozik, hogy ezt a helyzetet kordában tartsa. Kérjük, maradjanak távol a területtől, és maradjanak bent. Várj, mi ez?
Van egy másik katonai helikopter is az égen, de annak elején fegyverek vannak.
Ó Istenem! Mit fogunk csinálni?
Look out!
Megszakítjuk a szokásos programjait, hogy elhozzuk önnek ezeket a fejlődő történeteket. Borbányán, Nyíregyházán, egy egykor békés, már a háborús övezetté változott negyedben jövünk önhöz lakni a Százmadár utca közelében. Nemrég kaptunk hírt arról, hogy rakétákat lőttek ki néhány otthonra, de egyelőre nem ismerjük a halálos áldozatokat vagy a sérülteket. Amit tudunk, az az, hogy az igazságosság pártja, a Maini Unión segítségével elindította ezeket a rakétákat. Ez közvetlenül a nukleáris egyezmény aláírása után történt. Katonai csapatokat vezényelnek a helyszínre, hogy megpróbálják megakadályozni, hogy katonai helikopterek repüljenek a területre, de azt is tudjuk, hogy a katonai felszerelések egy részét a Maini Unión tisztviselői ellopták vagy eltérítették. Jelenleg a rendőrség lezárta a Madár utca 100. számot, hogy kivizsgálja a történteket, és most kaptunk hírt arról, hogy az egyik rendőr életét vesztette a lövöldözésben. Jelenleg nem tudjuk pontosan, hogy ki volt abban a katonai helikopterben. Nyíregyháza polgármesterének és az önkormányzat többi tagjának döntenie kell a további lépésekről, és a részleges vagy az egész városra kiterjedő hadiállapot elrendelésének lehetőségéről. Jelenleg nincs több információnk, de igyekszünk mindent összegyűjteni, amikor megérkeznek.
Oh my God.
What happened?
Those bastards from Money Union and the Justice Party have taken control of our military equipment. Our helicopters, weapons, explosives, everything.
What? How did this happen? I thought those things were guarded.
They must have broken in and killed our other soldiers, and we didn't know about it. What are we going to do?
We have to find those idiots who did that.
Stop.
Who the hell are you?
Never mind who I am. What have you done to Hilda?
Oh, me. I didn't even do anything to her.
Don't lie to me. Kiki said that Hilda disappeared when she was just about to leave Nyíregyháza, and you kidnapped her.
What? That's crazy. I would never hurt any children I saw.
Holy shit. You're so full of it. Just tell me where Hilda is.
That's none of your business. You'll never know what happened.
What the hell did you do to Hilda? Tell me, where is she?
Ask Louis Nixon. He planned this all out.
Planned out what? What did you do? You did this? You killed Hilda?
She suffered too much pain in her life. Her mother kicked her out, she was a rat, and nobody wanted to talk to her anymore. So, I decided to give her the chop.
How could you do this? She was a child. An innocent, normal child. Why do you have anything to do with the Justice Party?
Because I'm part of it. I have been supporting Louis Nixon, who promised to wipe out all the corruption in Nyíregyháza, including you and your family.
So you decided to team up with Jamie Hudson and Louis Nixon to try to destroy my family, huh? And kill all the people that I love?
To tell you that truth, 100 Bird Street was a mistake. The people who live there are a joke, and what's even worse is that a criminal owned the house you lived in. The next thing I want to do is to make your cute little wife.
If you dare go anywhere near me, or Blue, or my family, I swear to God that...
That what? You'll call the police. It won't work this way. Not anymore, because once 2025 arrives, the last thing you will see is 100 Bird Street engulfing in a ball of fire. And it is going to happen a lot sooner than you think. Now, I have to go to work.
Kids, welcome to our new home.
What? That's it? That's our new house.
Oh dear, that's a lot of damage. Come on, Orange, I know you're brave.
As long as you carry on like this, you will not be part of my family anymore. Now get to your room.
Don't you dare treat me like you were my—
Go now!
What the hell was that?
Oh, fantastic. We just found a dead body, didn't we?
Well, what can I do? Do I call the police?
Terrence, is everything okay? Terrence.
Oh, sorry. I was just thinking about the house. And this place. When we first moved here in 2023, my kids were unsatisfied with the house, but they eventually realized that there is life in the big city after all. We had so many memories there. We had a house party in the neighborhood that went wrong, then there was the hostage situation, we played esports games, and so many more. This house we live in feels like a dream.
I know, Terrence. I know you love Nyíregyháza more than I do.
But Teddy, how can we live our lives with all of this madness going on? If people like McLaren, the Bad Pickies, Blindsmith, Jamie Hudson, and the Justice Party didn't exist, our lives would still be happier as it is, and Bomb, Penny, and Orange would still be alive.
Look, I know this is tragic to think this way, but you might have to think about your family's future. Spend a new life elsewhere in the country, like a rural village, especially Nyíregyháza, or maybe Kiesbada.
Is it enough? No. There are so many things to do in Nyíregyháza. There is a zoo, a theme park, museums, malls, everything. We can't just leave the city for a dump.
I know, Terrence, but you have to trust me. Nyíregyháza is the only place for survival. I don't care how small this village is.
I wish there was a way to get Jamie Hudson and the Justice Party out of our lives, but there's no point. Matilda's right. Living in Nyíregyháza really was a mistake.
Don't say that, Terrence. It's your home, remember? You can't just forget about the memories there. Look, whatever happens, if your family escapes, we'll go with you, that's for sure.
Ön a nyíregyházi televíziót nézi. Belevágtunk a szokásos programjainkba, hogy elhozzuk ezt a bejelentést. Kérjük, figyeljék Nyíregyháza polgármesterének beszédét.
Good afternoon. I am speaking to you today in front of all those present, or watching this on television, and listening on the radio. As you all know, Nyíregyháza is facing great uncertainty in light of these shocking events. Terrorism has struck our great city, a missile destroyed a house in 100 Bird Street, shootings ring out, and the situation involving this particular man, Jamie Hudson, and the Justice Party has become progressively worse. We don't know for sure why they started all this. What I learned was that the Justice Party and Money Union, the company that Jamie Hudson is leading, signed a nuclear pact that legalized all use of nuclear weapons, and the seizure of all military bases in this city. What this man did is completely unacceptable and illegal. We cannot accept what he's done, and it has to be dealt with in retaliation. As a result of this, my local government has decided to impose martial law until further notice. Evacuations are currently taking place as we speak, and if this situation worsens, you must flee away from the city further away from here. The future of Nyíregyháza is hanging in the balance, and we don't know what we can do to stop this nightmare from happening. No matter what, we will overcome this fear. We will not back down, or surrender to fear. Because together, as a nation, we can fight the evil who want to get through our way. Nyíregyháza will rebuild, and we will do anything to protect our citizens, our families, everything. Thank you.
What do you think your running mate will be? Can we get one more picture?
Ezzel fejeződött be Robert Knight nyíregyházi polgármester beszéde. A beszéd során megtudtuk, hogy hadiállapotot vezettek be, kiürítések zajlanak. Sok lakos menekült Nyíregyházáról más városokba és településekre, mint Szombathely, Visegrád, Siófok, Sopron, Eger, Székesfehérvár, Budapest, illetve Debrecen. Ha a 100 Bird Street közelében lakik, azonnal hagyja el a területet. Te jó ég! Ki vagy te?
This is the last time you're spreading propaganda against me, jackass. Now you'll get yours.
Nem. Kérem, ne lőj le. Sajnálom.
What?
Libby, you won't believe what I just saw. That newsreader guy was shot to death on live TV.
Very funny, Andrea.
Look, I'm not joking. I was watching the mayor's speech, and when it ended, I saw Jamie Hudson shooting the newsreader to death in the head. Money Union and the Justice Party are going to take over Nyíregyháza as we speak. This is an emergency. The end of Nyíregyháza is coming.
Andrea, are you drunk?
No, I mean it very seriously. This is a case of life and death here. We have to leave this city right now or... Wait. Oh my god.
What is it, Andrea? What's going on?
I'm gonna have to call you back. I'm sorry.
A Sunshine FM felfüggesztette a zenei programokat, hogy friss híreket közöljön. Nyíregyháza veszélyhelyzetben van. A Money Union vezetője, Jamie Hudson berontott a nyíregyházi televízió székházába, megölte az egyik hírolvasót és a többi munkatársat. Eközben az igazságosság párt támadásba kezdett a helyi katonai bázis ellen, és megölte az ott lévő összes katonát. Ezzel az igazságpártja teljes mértékben átvette a katonaság irányítását, Nyíregyháza polgármesterét pedig biztonságos helyre menekítették. Sajnos nem tudjuk, hogyan állíthatnánk meg ezt a helyzetet. Éjfél körül atomfegyverrel megsemmisítik a 100 Birchtretet, és a félvárosnak semmi sem marad. Kérem, bármit csinál, evakuálja magát a legközelebbi településre. A helyszínek: Újfehértó, Nyírtelek, Rakamaz, Kisvárda, Nyírtas, Budapest, stb. Bővebb információval szolgálunk, amint elérhetővé válik.
Jesus Christ, man. What has this city become?
I don't know. I don't even know what to say anymore. This city is in serious danger, and no one is doing anything to save it. What are we going to do now? What do you want?
There is no enough time left. Nyíregyháza will soon fall into our hands. Once the clock strikes midnight, everything will be over.
Wait, what did he just say?
We have to get the hell out of here, now!
Where on earth have you been? I thought you disappeared or something.
Oh, sorry. I was just visiting my auntie. Rolly? What's wrong? What happened?
Look, there is no enough time left. Nyíregyháza is in serious crisis right now, and we must leave the city as soon as possible. We're going to Nyíregyháza.
What? You wouldn't do it, could you?
Jamie Hudson was the one who started this mess. He's taken over everything, the military base, half of the city's leadership, everything. This man is 10 times worse than Blindspot and McLaren combined. That is why I have to go and kill Jamie once and for all.
Please don't do this, Ollie. It's too dangerous.
Fine. You know what, Molly? I don't care anymore. I'm doing this to risk my life for you, no matter what it takes. I'm the only person that can actually get to save Nyíregyháza from impending doom.
You're crazy, Ollie. Do you want all those gangsters to kill you?
Molly, please, you have to promise me one thing.
Anything.
If I can't make it out alive, tell my family that I love them. Promise?
Promise.
Why didn't you get any of my calls, Chuck? What's going on?
Hilda's dead.
Oh no.
And it turns out that it wasn't Jamie or Louis who did it. It was a pro-Justice Party supporter, who was a doctor, though I can't remember her name.
What? That's crazy. How could the Justice Party encourage innocent people to do that?
What is this? A cult?
Guys, I know I hate to alarm you, but we are running out of time. It's almost midnight, and once the clock strikes that time, 100 Bird Street will be done for. We have to leave the city as soon as possible.
What? But we can't. We're supposed to be celebrating the new year. It's a party.
Look, this is not the time for a party, okay? We are all about to die unless we don't do anything to escape Nyíregyháza. Please, I want everyone to understand.
Is this it? Right? We're all done for?
Oh God, please tell me this is just a horrible dream.
Everyone, it's okay. No matter where we are, we'll always stick together.
But what about Dr. Fox? And her sister Lotta and that autistic kid Carl?
I'm sure they'll be safe in Nyíregyháza or Kisvárda.
Is everything all sorted?
Yup. All good to go, boss.
Good. Now it is time to...
Stop.
What the hell?
Who is this kid?
I have no idea.
You go. I'll deal with him myself. What the hell are you doing here?
That's my question, Jamie. Why did you do this?
Do what? Killing those soldiers? You should know that I'm in charge of the military now.
No, you're not. I mean, how could you do it? How could you do these horrible things? Like killing that newsreader on live television? Andrew told me what you did.
For your information, this local station has been spreading lies and propaganda about me, Money Union, and my ally. It was about time to give Nyíregyháza a taste of revenge against it.
Listen, bombing 100 Bird Street with nuclear weapons is not the answer. You can't do this.
Well, sorry kid. It's how it is. We bomb the street, then we rule Nyíregyháza.
No, you don't understand. What about the Justice Party? Why are you friends with them?
Louis and I were best mates. We made great strategic plans, and we decided what to do and what not. The Justice Party did everything it could to give people what they wanted.
Just like killing Hilda. You did this, right?
I didn't even kill that kid.
Liar. Chuck said that Hilda was murdered by the woman who claims to be a pro-Justice Party supporter. She was a doctor, not a murderer.
Not all people can be lucky, Ollie.
Jamie, please, you don't have to do this. You have to think about your family. Your wife is not happy with what you're doing, and not even your children. In fact, they even ran away because of your actions. This is not okay.
The whole world is against me. I tried to get Nyíregyháza to make up their minds and obey my orders. They never listened to me, and neither did the Justice Party. Now, this is payback. 100 Bird Street will be wiped out of the map, and once it does, I will take over Nyíregyháza and make all the people sorry for the hurt they caused to me, my men, and the Justice Party.
Please, Jamie, you have to give it up. It's over.
It's already over, Ollie.
No, it is not. Look, it's never too late. There is still hope for peace talks.
After everything I have been through? Do you actually believe that peace talks would end this conflict? Well, it's too late. There is nothing that can be done to solve it, and this corruption needs to end right here, right now.
Oh, come on, Jamie. You're better than this. If you bomb 100 Bird Street, half of Nyíregyháza will be destroyed.
Bullshit. The Bird family can go to Nyíregyháza all they want, but our men will still find them and kill them. Just like when the Justice Party going after your family too.
Stay away from my family right now? I mean it.
If you think you have the decency to call the police, it won't do you any favors. I am the one in charge, not the mayor.
No, this is not the way.
It is now. This is now the final minutes of this city, and if anyone attempts to prevent this apocalypse, it will only make it worse. Just like what you're doing right now.
Jamie, I'm begging you. Don't do this. Don't launch those missiles. Think about all those people you hurt.
I'm sorry.
No!
Everyone out of the house right now. Move. Move.
Wait, hold on. Is there enough space in this car?
Just get the damn transporter. You get the others.
Okay.
Come on, come on, come on. Move your stupid car.
Dude, are you sure you know where you're going?
Just shut up and let me drive, okay? I know where to go.
Nyíregyháza önkormányzatának kérésére az alábbi üzenetet továbbítják. Ez nem egy gyakorlat. Információ érkezett a Madár utca 100. kellemű nukleáris csapásról. A rakéták várhatóan a következő 5 percen belül eltalálják a környéket. Minden katona, köztük katonák, biztonsági tisztek és mások meghaltak. A katonaságot most a pénzunió és az igazságosság pártja vette át. Nem tudjuk megakadályozni ezt a katasztrófát. Most menedéket kell keresnie, vagy el kell menekülnie a városból egy közeli helyre. Nyíregyháza polgármestere immár biztonságban van Budapesten. Ha a 100 Birkstret terület közelében tartózkodik, kérjük, most evakuálja magát.
Hi, this is Ollie Chen. Leave a message.
Where are you?
Carl, it's gonna be okay. We'll be out of this city in no time.
Oh God. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Oh, hang in there. You're gonna be okay.
Wait, is that a missile?
Margaret, look out.
There's no service. My mobile internet must have run out.
Wait, we have to go back. We left Ollie behind.
What? Where is he?
How the hell would I know?
Please, Dad, you have to turn the car around. Ollie is still out there somewhere.
Look, it's too late for that. There's not much time. We have to leave the city before the missiles drop.
No, you don't understand. Ollie is in danger. We have to go and find him.
She's right, Reuben. We can't just leave the city without our son. We've got to go back.
Look, I'm sure he'll be fine. The police are trying to find him, and the military—
But all the soldiers are dead. Jamie and Louis' men have killed them.
Oh, hell.
Oh God, this can't be happening.
You should be dead in the nuclear wasteland, you disgusting piece of shit.
Do you really think that killing Jamie Hudson would end all the problems he caused? Well, it's too late. We have already found you. Happy New Year, Hungary.